In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Robinhood Pattern Day Trader restriction. If you've received a Pattern Day Trader notice and can no longer place certain trades, don't worry. I'll walk you through the steps to understand the restriction and what options may be available. First, open the Robinhood app and sign in to your account. Tap your profile icon and navigate to your account details or investing settings. Look for any notifications or messages related to Pattern Day Trader status. Read the information carefully so you understand why the restriction was applied. Next, review your recent trading activity. A Pattern Day Trader designation is typically triggered when multiple day trades are made within a specific period in a margin-enabled account. Check your account history to identify the trades that may have caused the restriction. If Robinhood provides an option to request a one-time reset, follow the instructions shown in the app. Keep in mind that eligibility for a reset may depend on your account status and trading history. You should also review the account requirements displayed by Robinhood. In some situations, maintaining the required account value or waiting for the restriction period to end may be necessary before full trading access is restored. To avoid future restrictions, monitor your day trades carefully and review Robinhood's educational resources regarding day trading rules and account limitations. If you're unsure about your specific situation, use the help or support section within the app to contact Robinhood and request clarification about your account status and available options. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful app tutorials and guides.